Well, now that we're back from the track, let's assess the damage real quickly. Bandit 2-wheel drive. Likes to lean now. That shock's kind of done for. You, motor mount, came undone. Might have to replace some spur gears, all that stuff. And the 2-wheel drive slash, I need a new turnbuckle for it. But outside that, everything else is good. Boom, new spur gear in, plus a little piece down there to help keep the motor mount in because this thing popped out. Rustler's all done. Let's move on to the next one. You know, actually, when I went in to go buy this piece, they said that a lot of people tend to break these things. And if I'm being completely honest, this is the first time I've broken this thing in about 5 years. So I think either I need to start bashing harder, or maybe I just have really good luck with these things. Okay, that was way too difficult. Why was it difficult? Because this one screw right here decided to get stripped. So I had to completely change out the A-arm because I don't feel like dealing with that right now. So I changed. Thank God Seamus gave me his old slash 2-wheel drive, so I just switched out the A-arm right there. But that was so ridiculous for absolutely no reason whatsoever. And for the back here, I just changed out the 2 rear shocks. One of them was like really bent. It was kind of doing a little lean like this. So I just changed them out a little bit. It's a bit taller than it is. It's kind of like it's got a bigger rake like the F1 cars back in like 2021 or something like that. But yeah, that's that for that car. And now everything else is fixed. And with that, I'm actually going to end the video right there. I know it's not much, but it's just something to get out there. I hope you guys liked the little bash session I had. If you want more dirt videos, leave it down in the comments down below. In the description is my Twitter, my X, my Threads. I might be missing one, but it's all down there, so go check it out. But for now, have a good one.